Okay, this is going to be a very short video of a repair of a Conair ceramic 1875. It's a dual voltage model and it's called model 157 RDR in the fine print. I don't know if that's going to show up, but it might if it focuses. Okay. My wife was complaining that the handle was getting hot and she was drying her hair. And I ran it for a little while, and I did notice that the handle was a little warm, although I didn't run it long as she would have drying her hair. But I took the handle off, it came off quite easily with 2 screws. I then noticed there was a crimp connection between the power cord and the internal blue wire. Okay, and the crimp connection was all distorted due to heat. And if you look inside, you can see that the wires had the green oxidation, and this crimp joint was obviously failing, so I unwrapped the stress relief knot, moved it about an inch in one direction. That gave me about an extra inch in order to put a solder joint in between the blue line and the power line. And then I put the heat shrink tubing over it. Also, I had noticed as I was unwrapping it that even the power cord itself, for some reason, in the knot, the insulation on one of the power cords was actually torn off, and I don't know if that was just due to heat or stress or what have you. So I put the heat shrink tubing on an inch there just to cover the section where in the knot. I had a very hard time untying the knot because the plastic of one of the conductors was actually molded into the other, and as I was undoing it, it wouldn't come apart. It tore. So anyway, minor point. I haven't put it back together yet, but presumably it'll be okay. I'll try using the pause and see how it works. Okay, went together without incident. I did have to be careful not to pinch any of these components when I was, screwing it back together, but I got it back together. And I did test the functionality of that little rotating thing to make sure it was free to move. And now seems to work. So, it's a W. Problem solved. Thanks. Bye.